Hi guys, this is your host and host Sazadarsi, and today in this video we are continuing from the last video Google 200 ranking factors, and we are about to discuss page level factors. So stay tuned if you want to learn about Google 200 ranking factors. This video will be very informative and very amazing. If you want to learn about the page level factors among the 200 ranking factors in Google, then please stay tuned. Okay, let's move ahead. What's the page level? Before moving ahead, guys, if you haven't watched my earlier video, that's my first video about domain factors, please go and watch my previous video so that you get an understanding about overall 200 ranking factors. Okay, so let's move into the second factor, that's the page level factor. Guys, page level factor, I think this will be a pretty long video, but please stay tuned. See guys, keyword in title tag. State of the bat, they say keyword in the title tag. Let me take you to my blog. This is my blog Sazadarsi, although this doesn't look that much fancy, but I'm just building on it. So I'm experimenting with different colors, different fonts, so you can find that issue here. So what's the page level factor? Keyword in title. Guys, what keyword in title means? Suppose I open this post. Oh, this is not working, guys. Not an issue. I'm opening my another blog or website. Okay, because I want to demonstrate you, so I'm opening another what you call my another website. So let's see. uh, it's called keyword in title tag. Let's find out. Suppose this is the page. Okay, and I will click on learn more. uh, okay, see web development. Suppose I want to not working. Okay, let's see what's in services. Okay guys, services is this. Guys, it's dummy website, so forget this. uh, just watch my third ah, third block. Sorry guys, I'm taking you from one block to another. Sorry for that, but so this is my third block, and in this block hopefully everything will work. So guys, they say keyword in title tag. Let's find out where keyword in title tag is. Suppose I'm opening this best catches in appeal history. When I click on it, this is the title tag, guys. This is the title tag. Best catches in appeal history is the title tag, as well as this is the h1 tag. If you leave as it is, it will be called as, suppose I'm in this domain, I want to check the title tag. Oh, it's not working, guys. Okay, not an issue. This is the title tag, guys. This is called title tag or simple Google search. Suppose uh, this will be best. This is best to show you the example. Sorry for the delay, guys. So this is the title tag, guys. Google 200 ranking factor is the title tag. Okay, so I hope you are clear. The first thing that you see is the what you call website URL, and this is called the title tag, and this is also the title tag, another title tag. So this is the title tag, guys, for you. And they say the first point is that keyword in title tag, keyword should appear in the title tag. So Google 200 ranking factors, it appears in the title tag. You see Google 200 ranking factors, that's why it's given first ranking, and second is this one, and so on so on. So you can see WebEx also written. So Google 200 ranking factors, they also written Google 200 ranking factors, 200 plus ranking factors. Okay, this is the title tag for you. So they say they should have keyword in the title tag. Let's move to the second point. What's the second point? Title tag start with keyword, as it is. I told you Google 200 ranking factor starts with title tag. Google 200 ranking factor starts with title tag. So I hope this both are interlinked, so it's very straightforward and it's clear. keyword in description tag. Let's find out what's description tag. This is the description tag, guys. Sorry, and this is the, sorry again, it's taking me there. This is the description tag, guys. This is called the description tag. Okay. Domain factors, page level factors, site level factors, backlink factors, user interaction, special Google algorithm rule, brand signals. These all are called what you call description. This is the description tag. A snippet of text that beneath the title tag is called description tag, and it's clearly listed here. Site level factors, backlink factors, etc, etc. This all comes from 200 ranking factors. Similarly, you can check it here. Okay. 11 things you must know about 200 ranking factors. They have bold that. Google has bold that. Google 200 ranking factors, because it's in the description tag. So I hope this point is also clear. Keyword should appear in the description tag. Okay. Keyword appears in the h1 tag, guys. In WordPress, when you leave the title tag or h1 tag as it is, then h1 tag and the title tag remain the same. So suppose this is my what you call title tag, and if I leave h1 as it is, then the h1 tag and the description tag will be the same. Let's show you the example. For this I am using SEO Minion. Let's find out. Okay, they are telling me to load this page. Okay, I have loaded this page. So you will find that where it is. Okay, SEO Minion is active. Yeah, now it will show, I think. Yeah, see, analyze on page. When you click on analyze on page, right hand side you will find the h1 tag or title tag, everything. This is the URL slug. This is the title tag, guys. This is the title tag, Google 200 ranking factors. Okay, and this is the h1 tag that is not accessible in my case. See, so that's h1 tag. H1 tag is as simple as that. When you write any post in Google, when you write any post in your WordPress dashboard, then you have that then you have the chance to change your h1 tag. If you change your h1 tag and change your what you call, let me show you. Yeah, now it's loading. Let me show you. Suppose for this example I'm taking this one, and I'm just going to edit on this, and I will show you. This is the h1 tag, guys. This is the h1 tag, and if I don't change this h1 tag, then it will take as the title tag. How? See, just keep an eye on this group. Keep an eye on this group funnel review. Is it worth it? Free limited time access. Okay, this is the h1 tag for you, and here you will find the title tag. This is the title tag, guys. This is called the title tag. Now when you click on edit snippet, you have the choice to change that. Group funnel reviews, is it worth it? Free lifetime access. If you change it, then the title tag will be different. If you change it from here, then the title tag will be different from the h1 tag. So they are saying that keywords should appear in the h1 tag and the title tag. So that is what they are listing here. So let's move another to the next point. That's 15 point. TF and IDF. TF and IDF means a fancy way of saying how often does a certain word appear in a document. Means trust flow and IDF flow. I am not sure about that. Means how often a certain words appear in the document. Okay, means you can say your focus keyword. How often the focus keyword appears in the title. Suppose in this case my focus keyword is, let me take it, where is my focus keyword? See, guys, let me show you the focus keyword, guys. Where is my focus keyword? Where is my focus keyword? This is title, this is permalink, and yeah, this one, group funnel review, is the focus keyword. They say how much this word focus keyword appeared in the document, means appeared in this what you call article. That is what they are listing here, how much the focus keyword appears in the document. So that is what about TF and IDF. you should not have more than 5% of your focus keyword. You can definitely have variation of what you call focus keyword. Suppose in this case my focus keyword is group funnel review, right? Group funnel review, I can choose another focus keyword like um, uh, group funnel reviews 2021 LSI keyword. I can put a variation of LSI keyword in the focus keyword here, so that we have the liberty to use and don't go beyond 5%. 3% they say max, but don't go beyond 5%. Okay, I hope this point is also clear. Let's move to the 16 point content length. It's as simple as that. Content length is how long your post is. Means suppose my post is 935 length, means it should satisfy the user intent. Means if the user has come on this page and want to know about group funnel review, then you should provide in-depth article about group funnel review, whether you are satisfying it within 1000 or over, you are taking over 2000 word to explain that. You should satisfy the user intent. Okay, that's what they are saying. Content length should be ideal. The ideal content length is what satisfies the user intent. When the user come on your article, they should be satisfied whether you are providing that within 1000 article, or you are taking more than 2000 word to explain that uh, search term that Google has landed on your website for. So table of content is something I hope you are clear. Table of content, let me show you here, guys. I'm not sure whether I can show you table of content here or not. Let me check this post because I think I've implemented table of content. Yeah, this is called table of content. They are telling that you should have table of content. Okay, using a link tab of table of content can help Google better understand your page content. It can also result in site links. They are telling that you should have table of content. This is very easy. You can use table press, and they will means you are using a h2 s3, they will segregate that and they will highlight that in the form of table of content. So you should definitely use table press, and this will help not only your user but also the search engine like Google. So I hope this is clear. 17 point is clear. 18th, keyword density, as I told you, means suppose this is the focus keyword, what you call group funnel review, how much time it's appearing, means percentage of this. I told you don't to go beyond 5%. They say 3% is ideal. Means suppose you are having 15, suppose you are having 1500 long article, and you should not go beyond 3%. That is 1500. You do the math, do the calculation. Don't go below beyond 5%. 5% of 1500 will be, I guess, not more than 20 to 30. Yeah, 30. Don't go more than 30 if you are content length is 1500. So just do the math and don't go beyond 5%. They say 3% is ideal. Okay, let's move ahead. That's keyword density for you. Latent semantic indexing keyword, LSI, is something like this, guys. Suppose I have typed in Google 200 ranking factors, and they will show you, Google will suggest me this all are called LSI keyword. These all are called searches related to Google 200 ranking factor. These all are called LSI keyword. You should see that whether this fits in your content. If this fits, then you should definitely incorporate this in your post, article, and write something about each one of this. That's why they are saying LSI keyword should be there. Okay, LSI keyword in title tag and description tag, guys. It's self-understood. LSI keyword means this one, Google 200 ranking factors. This is state of the bat as it is. Say this one, Google ranking factors 2019 200 formula of ranking, means they say they you should have your title, what you call keyword in the title and the description tag within the LSI. You can see whether it's fit, then you can incorporate your title tag and description tag in your LSI keyword. So jo- don't just go with this means you should definitely put your title tag, and for that you don't change the meaning over here. So you should see whether it's good, you can incorporate in that, and if it's not good, then it's okay. It's okay not to just follow blindly and incorporate your this one Google 20 tracking factors within this keyword. Okay, so that's the this one for you. LSI keyword in title and description tag. Page covers topic in depth. Yeah, it's self-understood. As I told you, if you satisfy your user that comes in your what you call post, and if they are satisfied, they will not press the escape button or do another query search and visit another blog article and read their article instead of yours. You should satisfy your user by providing in-depth article about the topic they have searched and landed in your what you call article or in your website or blog. So you should provide in-depth article. That's called page cover topic in depth. Okay, I hope this is clear. 21 point. Page loading speed via HTML. Guys, page loading speed is very important factor nowadays. So your page should ideally load within 3 seconds. 3 seconds is the optimal time, and max you can go 5 seconds. You don't go beyond 5 seconds, be it in mobile or in desktop. Especially keep an eye on the mobile what you call loading speed, because you can easily fix the desktop loading speed, but to optimize it and make it load within 5 seconds, I say 5 seconds for the mobile version is what you call is a great task. So if you optimize and make your page loading speed less than 5 seconds within for mobile version, then it's very good. So that's why they are listed this page loading via HTML. So you should definitely improve your loading speed. Okay, uh, page loading via Chrome is the most used Google what you call browser. So they are checking the page loading via Chrome, means when the person search anything in the Chrome browser, they are checking that how much time it takes to load that content or page in Chrome browser. So you should definitely keep an eye on the Chrome browser and see that how much time your website or your page or post takes to load in the Chrome browser. So if it's taking more than 5 seconds, then you should definitely fix that. Use AMP. AMP is self-understood, guys. AMP, let me show you whether I can find that AMP for you. Let me see, guys. AMP is that will mark an AMP in the right hand side. I will be changing my keyword here. So suppose I'm tapping in digital marketing. Okay, I'm tapping in digital marketing for you. Let's see whether I can find any post related to AMP that have AMP in them. So let's see, let's check. uh, Digital marketing, Neil Patel. Guys, AMP, I'm not sure you are aware of it or not, but AMP is something that will mark AMP mark here on the right hand side. I can't find AMP for you guys, sorry for that. But AMP is when you do what you call AMP website. Suppose AMP website. Suppose uh, guys, I'm not sure whether I can say find AMP for you guys. AMP is like this accelerated mobile page, and you can find AMP in the right hand side. They will show you the AMP version of that what you call website. Okay, it's very handy in loading term. uh, so they are promoting AMP. So that's it. I'm not using AMP, so I'm not showing you my website results. Entity match. Does a page content match the entity that the user is searching for? Means uh, Suppose the searcher is searching for Google 200 ranking factors, and whether this person backlink who have satisfied the intent about the search query, that is Google 200 ranking factors, and whether they have satisfied the user query within his blog post about the search intent query. So that's entity match for you. 25th point is clear, I hope. Google Hummingbird is, guys, this algorithm change help Google to beyond keywords. Thanks to Hummingbird, Google can now better understand the topic of your web page. Means Google can very easily understand between I closed that. Suppose what is digital marketing, I am typing in digital marketing, just see. Google will very easily differentiate. I've typed in digital marketing, see they have shown me internet marketing, see. So Google is now very smart algorithm, and they can easily figure out digital marketing and internet marketing is the same thing. So when I typed in digital marketing, instead of the back they are showing internet marketing in the right hand side with the knowledge panel of Wikipedia showing here. So that is what they are listing. Google Hummingbird is very clear about what you call a keyword that a person types in the Google search. I hope this is clear. Duplicate content is same content across different among your different web pages or post. That is called duplicate content. And Google see, identical content on the same site, even slightly modified, can negatively influence a site search engine. If you are having same content in your different pages, then although they are slightly modified, then you can, and then it can negatively impact your SEO process, so it can hamper you. So please pick the duplicate content if you are having any. Real canonical is something, suppose you can fix this. If you are having duplicate content in your web page, then you can very easily, I will show you how you can do that. Suppose this is my group funnel review page, and if I have written earlier also group funnel review, then I can find out which is my original version, so that Google don't crawl both the what you call both the page in the search engine. So I want my one page, and I will provide the latest and the in-depth article to be put here. Suppose I have two pages written review about group funnel, and I will point the in-depth article, and I will put that here. Means I will show to prove that Google don't crawl my earlier web page or other web page, and instead give this ranking, this page ranking, group funnel review, that I want Google to give ranking or give weightage. So that's canonical URL for you. Means the page you want Google to give a good ranking factor in the search engine. If you are having two or more than two pages identical, so you can point it in the canonical URL, and point the master page here, and put the master page here, and you are good to go. That's canonical URL for you. Image optimization is very straightforward and it's self-understood, guys. Image optimization, let me show you image optimization of this page. See, I'm clicking on this page, and you will see this is the alt tag and this is the title tag. Group funnel review in the alt tag and in the title tag. So that's image alt tag for you. So you should definitely use your alt tag and the title tag, so that Google can give you what you call visitors when they through the image search also, if you put alt tag and title tag for the image. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Image optimization is something like that. Content research is means Google campaign update favors recently published or updated content. Means if your content is recently published and if it's updated frequently, then Google gives a good ranking factor or give that content a boost, and they just rank the content high if it's continually updated or it's recently published content. Okay, magnitude of content update. Magnitude of content means the significance of edits and changes also serve as freshness factor. Okay, how frequently you are what you call how frequently you are updating content, means you are removing certain sections or fixing typo errors. That is called magnitude of content updates that you fix in your what you call article. Suppose I've written an article about group funnel reviews and I have found later that they have some typo error or grammatical error. If I fix that, then also it gives me ranking factor. So that's magnitude of content update for you. Okay, historical page updates. Let me check one thing, guys. Yeah, it's working. Okay, historical of page updates means how often the page been updated over time. That's what they are saying. Daily, weekly, every 5 years. How often your page is updated, that is called historical page update for you. Keyword prominency. Keyword prominence means having a keyword appear on the first 100 word of a page content is called keyword prominency. Means, as I showed you, this is my um, yeah group funnel review. This is my focus keyword and it should appear ideally in the first 100 word. This between here it should appear in this first paragraph. Yeah, first paragraph it should ideally appear that focus keyword group funnel review. Okay, that is what they are listing, that the focus keyword prominency should appear in the first 100 word on your content. So keyword in h2 h3 tag, h2 h3 tag, h1 is by default this one, and you don't need to put another h1 in your content. That's not good practice. This is h2 tag. They say that you should have keyword in your h2 and h3 tag. This is your h2 tag and I put that group funnel review here. Similarly, you can put your what you call h3 tag and see that you can fit the focus keyword here. So that's what keyword in the h2 and h3 tag. Okay, I hope this is clear. And next is outbound link. Outbound link quality. Outbound link quality, suppose you are having a page about group funnel and you are pointing something else, that's not ideal. Suppose you are writing about group funnel and you have pointed out to the cooking or gambling website or technology website, that's not good practice. So they are telling about the outbound link quality. I am focusing about group funnel, so I will be pointing out to group funnel or page builder, something like that. So that's relevant to my what you call article. Outbound link theme. Outbound link theme is according to the Hillop algorithm. Google may use the content of the page you link as a relevancy. For example, if you have a page about cars that link about the movie, for example, you have a page about cars and that link to movie related pages, this may tell Google that your page is about the movie car, not an automobile. Okay, guys, means as I told you, if you are writing about say Apple computer, and if you have a link to the Apple fruit, then that's not relevant. Google will think that your article is about Apple fruit, not about Apple computer. So that's it about outbound link thing. Grammar and spelling, it's self-understood. You should see that if you are having any grammar error, then you can definitely fix that. And for that, you should definitely use Grammarly extension. It will help you fix the grammar error for you. Okay, let's move to the next point. Syndicate content. uh, Syndicated content is the content of the page original. It's scrapped or copied. Means if it's original, if you have written, then you are you don't need to worry about the syndicated content, because most of the what you call blogger, what they do, they copy content from here and use some what you call script tools and just scrape the content and publish it in their blog. That's what Google is saying, that you should not use the uh, earlier published content and do the content spinning and publish it in your. You should use your original content on your article, on your blog post. Mobile friendly is self-understood. Your page should be mobile friendly. Your page should be mobile friendly. This is called mobile friendly, guys. Your page should not your page should be mobile friendly as it is. Means if your page is not mobile friendly, then Google may penalize you. So that's mobile friendly. Okay, mobile usability. Website that mobile user can easily use may have an agent Google. That's this is interlink mobile. The website that has mobile first index means it's easily readable in the mobile, and when you see do Google search mobile friendly test, then if your page says or your website says your page is mobile friendly, then you are good to go. That is, they are saying they will give the best weightage to the website who has mobile who are mobile friendly, which are mobile friendly. Okay. Hidden content on mobile. Hidden content means suppose many of the content you can hide in the what you call it, you can hide on the mobile. Suppose I don't want to show this part. Suppose I don't want to show, suppose I don't want to show any button. It's not like, suppose I don't want to show this what you call video, so I can hide that in the mobile version. It will load for the desktop version, but it will not load for the mobile version. I can easily hide that in the mobile for the mobile version. That is what they are saying. You can what you call it's good practice. If you don't want to show certain element in the mobile, you can definitely hide it for the mobile version. So that's it. They are saying uh, helpful supplementary content according to new Google ranking factors. Helpful supplementary content is an indicator of page quality and therefore Google ranking. Example includes currency converter, loan interest calculator, and tracking. Helpful supplementary content, you can use it or you can put it in your content that is inclined to your article or your blog post. Content hidden behind tab. See what they are saying. Content hidden behind tabs. Most of the what you call bloggers, what they practice, they hide certain content behind the tab. So they say, do users need to click on a tab to reveal some of the content on your page? If so, Google has said that this content may not be indexed. So if you are doing this practice, if you are hiding certain content behind any tab, then Google may penalize you, or Google says that it will not be indexed. So you should definitely be aware of this and don't hide any content behind any tab. Okay. Number of outbound links. Number of outbound links is your website, from your website to other website, is the called number of outbound link. The more the better. Okay. Okay, and it should be highly relevant to your niche. Okay, if you are writing about digital marketing, it should be in digital marketing niche only, not in another cooking or another niche. So this is what number of outward links, and the quality also matters. Multimedia you should incorporate in your article, like image, videos, infographics. You can use multimedia. You can incorporate multimedia in your blog post. That is what is listed here. Number of internal links pointing to page. Internal link is, guys, links within the page. Means I have written about what you call group funnel builder, or anything that is related to that group funnel, or anything that is related to this article. Then I can interlink. If I have written earlier about that topic, then I can interlink to the different section within my website. That is called internal link. The more the better. Okay. Quality of interlink pointing to page, as I told you, the more the better, and also the quality matters. If you are writing about group funnel digital marketing and you are pointing to that is not relevant, so that is also is no practice within Google. So broken link is self-understood. Suppose you are writing about any topic, and for some reasons your page is dead, means they show error 404 error, means you have removed the article or deleted that article, then they will show an error of broken link, and you should definitely fix that broken link. If it is in your website or in any of your poster pages, you should definitely fix that broken link. Okay. Reading level is something you should use. Hemingway app, so that it will show you the grade, how easy it is read for the fifth standard, or is it for what you call high school or 12th standard. If it is easy, if fifth standard what you call student can read your content, then it's very good. That's called reading level. if it is very enticing and very user friendly, and a fifth standard student can read your content and understand your content, that's very very impactful. So that's what you can use Hemingway app. Just put your content on that and see the readability, how how easy it is to for the reader. So affiliate link is self understood. Affiliate link themselves probably won't hurt your ranking, but if you have too many, Google algorithm may pay close attention to other quality signals to make sure are not a thin affiliate site. Means if you are having too much affiliate links in your website content and your article is thin, then Google will keep an eye on it and may de-rank you. Okay, that is what affiliate link is good, but don't put too much affiliate link within your content. That is what it is called. HTML error and W3 validation is lots of HTML error or sloppy coding. So avoid this HTML error within your content. Okay. So domain authority is different. Domain authority is how much is the authority of your domain. Suppose this is my domain, cricket score today. What is the authority of my domain? Okay, what is the authority of my domain? This is my domain, and suppose they are having what do you call, out of 100 they are having 10. My this website homepage, or you call the domain, the main domain, that is cricket score today, how much authority that domain hold, that is called domain authority. And domain authority is definitely different from what you call page authority. Suppose what is the authority of this page that is written post about Yuvraj Singh appeal to 2019 stats runs and team. What is the authority of this page? Domain authority is different than the page authority. So that's it about domain authority and page rank authority. URL length is this, guys. What is the URL length? It means cricket score today Yuvraj Singh IPL. Yuvraj Singh IPL is my URL length. This is called, this much part is called URL length. So you should have not too long URL length. That is what they are saying. The shorter the better. And they have used the graph, this graph from href. They say the shorter the better. Okay, see, the first position ranking is the shorter one, the shortest one, the URL length. URL path is suppose if I have written about cricket score today and I have segregate it within category. Suppose, let's see whether I can find category for you or not. Suppose, let's see if I can't find. Yeah, see, cricket score today category emerging player. Okay, in the emerging player I have listed. So how far it is? Two step from the what you call, from the home page. That is what they call URL path. How much time it takes user to go there, means category emerging part, two step they need to go to land on this page. Okay, that is called URL path. Human editors is, although never confused, never confirmed. Okay, Google has filed a patent from a system that allows human editors to influence the SRPs, search engine result page. So they haven't confirmed, so don't need to worry about human editors. Okay, page category, as I told you, this is the category. I have listed it, emerging player. In the emerging player I have listed, you can create category wise according to your niche. So that's what you should create a page category also. Keyword in URL, definitely keyword in URL. Emerging player, I have searched for emerging player and it's popped out emerging player. Only dash, nothing underscore, nothing what you call fancy. So straight emerging slash player, that's called what you call keyword in URL, and that is their keyword in the URL. So you should have keyword in your URL string should be, as I told you. See, this is the example. You can see based by cell phone, all cell phones with plans. So this is the URL string for you. So the category in the URL string are read by Google and may provide a thematical signal to what a page is about. If your page is about cell phone, then you should have cell phone, all cell phone with plans. Suppose this is your string, so you should definitely incorporate, you should be very careful about your string, about any post or pages. So that's it. Reference and sources. Reference and sources is something that you have got something from other sources, it's not your, then you should definitely point the what you call source, from where you have taken that content, that piece of content, code, anything. You should definitely point out to that source and give credit to that source. Bullet and number list, as it is, bullet and number list is something you should use bullet. See, in I can't show you in this. You can have bullet list in any of your article, you should have bullet list, so that it's very easy. This is the bullet list, you can use bullet list in your article. That is what they are saying, you should have bullet and number list. So I hope this is clear. Priority of page in sitemap. Guys, sitemap is something that uh, is another factor, another term itself in Google or SEO. So you should have the page in your what you call XML. The page, suppose this is my page, digital marketing startup. I should have in my what you call XML sitemap. So XML sitemap is something, a topic of itself. So I will make a video about XML sitemap. So a sitemap.xml, when you put in there, then you will have all the pages and posts that you want to index, and it will be easily Google can easily crawl that page or post. So you should have that. And Yoast and rank math SEO plugin can easily build that what you call sitemap for you. Too many outbound links. See guys, straight from the uh, aforementioned quality, rather documents. Some pages have way too many links, obscuring the page and distracting from the main content. Means you don't have, you should don't have too many outbound links. And if it's not what you call doesn't provide what you call doesn't provide informations about the content, then you should avoid too many outbound links in your content. So it's not good signal for your user, and neither for the search engine. UX from other keywords, page rank for. If the page rank for several other keywords, it may give Google as an internal sign of quality. In fact, Google's recent How Search Work report states, we look for sites that many users seem to value for similar queries. See, for similar queries, you should have good UX, means user experience, and yeah, your users would be satisfied, and they should not be bothered or lost in your content. Okay, it should be easily navigable. So that is, you should keep an eye in the UX, means design, and what you call design of your what page or post. Page age is also very similar to page what you call domain age. Means suppose how old your page is. Suppose you have published content about digital marketing startup 1 year ago, then what they say, although Google prefers fresh content, an older page that regularly updated may outperform a new page. Suppose I have written a article on digital marketing startup, this is my post, okay, and I have written it 1 year back. So if I regularly update this post and put new point and what's coming in the this digital marketing startup, and I put that and eliminate that is outdated from my content and regularly update my post, then Google will give me weightage, means give me ranking signal instead of the new post, because my post is older there, and it's regularly updated, it's fresh. So Google will give weightage to my content. So that's page 8 for you. User friendly layout. User friendly layout is means self understood. Google user can easily navigate within different section of your blog from one article to another. They should not see different pop-ups, different what you call distracting elements. So that is what they are saying. It should be user friendly layout. The page layout on highest quality makes the main content immediately visible. So that's what you are called user friendly. Your page should be user friendly, so that people can easily, or visitors can easily navigate from one section to another. Park domain is something you have bought a domain and you have parked it for 1 year or 2 year, maybe for any reason you want to earn money from your park domain, or for whatever reasons you have parked your domain. Then that's not valuable. Google will decrease the value of your what you call domain if you keep your domain parked and not use it, or not publish content, or it's just park. It's no valuable in the eyes of Google. If your domain is parked and you're not posting content in it, then it's not valuable in the eyes of Google. I hope this is clear. So park domain is not good in the eyes of Google. So useful content, as pointed out by backlink reader, Google may distinguish between quality and useful content. So your website should have quality and useful content. So that's it for this video, guys, and I hope I am able to demonstrate you about the Google 200 ranking factors, and in that 200 ranking factors I was covering page level factors. I hope I am able to explain you. If you have got any question, any queries, you can definitely ask in the comment section. And if you like this video, please put a thumbs up and spread it in your community, and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest and more useful content in the coming days. So that's it for this video, guys. This is Sazadarsi signing off for now. Bye, take care, see you in another exciting